we get a visor clean here? Hey, you look good without a visor in there, eh? I know. Hey, Grumpy. Hey, go home and playoffs. Hey, come on. You're fine. You're good.
You can go on.
We don't need you. Hey, if your head was any bigger, it would have hit you in the jibs, eh?
No, it was such a big target, he couldn't dump it in past.
Got it right here. Hey, get wide, eh? Get wide. Hey, sit. Hey! Oh. Yeah! Hey, Otter, watch your stick here, like on a one-on-one. I feel like you're throwing yourself off balance a little too much, right? Like they make that move, you like go to swipe it, just like stay in the middle. You're kind of going everywhere. Hey, get the puck! Wow! Was that you who gave it to Scotty? Yeah, you mean I don't know. Hey, that's a good plus in an apple, hey?
It is something.
Why'd they pull their goalie with 5 minutes left?
Until 7. Even longer than that. I think like.
I understand, but 3 goals?
But I mean, they're life on the line, right? Playoffs. They don't win this game.
You're down 3 already, though. Like, at least get a couple 5-on-5.
Hey, boy, Smitty Bones! Hey, boy, Smitty Bones!
Attaboy, Scotty! Standing goal, Scotty! I don't know, I guess their guy pinched when it came down and it was right on our stick.
Carlo pinched like.
Yeah.
And
they pulled their goalie too, like I don't. Yeah. I thought Volks was just gonna shoot it. Duty. Shot! Gotta pop that! You love this one, eh? You love it. It's the biggest grin on your face right now. Bears, you love this tune, eh? You love this tune. No, Smitty passed it to you.
I was calling for it because I saw the D. I knew the D was going to shoot Scotty, so I just wanted to
I give these 2 Marines tickets.
Karma. Is that karma?
Yeah.
That's karma if I've ever seen karma before.
I don't know.
Yeah, hey, attaboy. Good game. Attaboy, Cos, hey, we got out of it. Don't worry about it. Hey, you like that apple, eh? You like that apple?
That was a dirty play.
Oh, which one? Let's get a good salute here, eh? Let's get a big salute. DJ, turn the music up.